OSECO, or Oklahoma Safety Equipment Company, designs and makes things to break.
We are looking for a certain burst pressure. The reason being, these are pressure relief devices. So in order to save a piece of equipment or somebody's life, this will actually open and break instead of their system blowing up.
Everything is made to the customer's specifications. This disc is made to burst at 1,500 pounds per square inch, give or take.
We're looking for something between 1443 and 1517. And this is what it looks like before the break. It's a scored disc. We'll do our score, and then we will anneal it and go in the oven at 1800 degrees, depending on the material type. Then we do our break, and that's how you get that 4-pedal pointed opening.
Rupture discs come in all sorts of sizes for all different applications. This one's just a 1/2 inch across, and they get as large as this big 42-inch one.
OSECO's ability to custom design and make rupture discs caught the attention of the Mythbusters show.
We've been fortunate enough to work with Mythbusters on 3 different episodes. They, run all sorts of experiments to prove or disprove different myths, and the ones that are related to pressure waves, they've used our products, our rupture discs, to measure those pressure waves to see if someone would be injured after an explosion when the pressure wave either goes through air or travels underwater.
OSECO discs help determine if a person's socks could be safely blown off. And in this week's episode, the discs help determine if a person could escape injury from an explosion on land by jumping into water.
Mythbusters is used several times to determine whether a certain pressure threshold was crossed during an explosion. Those thresholds have changed with different episodes. This latest one was the lowest at 13 psi. That's the pressure at which lung tissue becomes damaged in an explosion.
There was multiple explosions. They started with a gas explosion, and then they went on to AMVO, and then they did a TNT explosion. Real exciting. We sat in our rental car up on a hill, and we had a real good view of it, so it was fun.
Like watching your stuff blow up?
It is always exciting to watch stuff blow up.
2, 1!
A lot of what we do, most people would consider pretty boring. Ammonia chillers, chemical plants, things like that. My kids don't want to hear about that, but if I'm working on a Mythbusters project, they want to know all about it.
And that confirms it's fun to make things designed to break. In Broken Arrow, I'm Kathy Tatum, the Oklahoma News Report.